Hello students, welcome to the SourceFort learning session. SourceFort, one of the leading names, helps the students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. And I'm going to take the subject EVS today for the UKG, and let me discuss about our first chapter, parts of the body. How many parts does our body have? See, here we can see the parts of the little girl. What are the parts she has in her face? She has eyes. How many eyes? Two eyes, which helps her to see the things around us. What all we can see? We can see all the things around us. And two ears. Can you see this? Here she has two ears next to her face. Ears helps her to hear the noise from the surrounding. What all you can hear? If we talk also, if others talk, you can hear through ears. And here are the eyebrows. She has two eyebrows up to her eyes. This helps her to prevent from dust entering into her eyes. You can see your eyebrows also. How many eyebrows do you have? Yes, everybody we have two eyebrows. And this the forehead. You can see this is the forehead. And here is the nose. We use our nose to smell things. What all you can smell? A flower, a fruit, and we can also smell the food we eat. And here is the other part, mouth. For what we use our mouth? We talk, we eat our food. Yes. And inside our mouth we have tongue. Tongue help us to talk and taste the food. And next we find teeth. We have the teeth. How many teeth do you have? Count yourself. We use our teeth to laugh, to chew the food we eat. Here you can find this is our head. These are the parts which she have in her head, and these are hairs. She has a brown colored hair. Which color hair do you have? We have black color hair. And here are the cheeks we can find. These are the cheeks. Here and here. And this is the chin. Can you see it? This is the chin. And let's see the other parts. These are the arms. This part we call it as arm, and this is the hand. For what all we use our hand? To play, to eat food, to write. Is it? Yes. In hand we have 5 fingers. In one hand we have 5 fingers. These are the fingers she has. In one hand we have 5 fingers. The other hand we have 5 fingers. Totally 10 fingers. How many hands we have? 2 hands. 1 and 2. Arm, 1 arm, 2 arms. We have 2 arms. And this part we call chest. And this is our neck. Here is the stomach. These are the legs. We have 2 legs. This part which we use for folding our leg, we call it as knee. You can check out your knee, which we use to fold our legs. And here is the foot. The last part in our leg, we call it as foot, where we wear our shoes. That part we call it as foot. And in foot we have fingers called toes. In each leg we have 5 toes. Totally we have 10 toes. And let's see some of the parts here. This is our head. You touch your head. Yes, this is our head. And these are our eyes, which we use to see. And this is our ear. We have 2 ears. Touch your ears. We use our ears to hear the sound. And here is the nose, which we use to smell things. And these are our lips in our mouth, which help us to speak. Here are our teeth. Count your teeth. How many you have? These help us to chew the food. Here we can find the chin of the boy. You touch your chin. Yes, this is the chin. Under our mouth. Here is the neck. Under our head we have our neck. Here we find our shoulders. In the beginning of the hand, touched to our body, we have our shoulders, which is the support to our body, and we use it to carry something. We should move from one place to other place. And here are some of the parts in a face, like cheek. Touch your cheeks. How many cheeks do you have? Yes, 1 cheek and 2 cheeks. A beautiful cheeks we have. Here again we can find the chin under the mouth. Here is the arm. In our hand, this part we can call arm. We have 2 arms. And here is the elbow, which help our hand for folding. Touch your elbow and fold your hand. We can find our elbow. We have 2 elbows. Here are our fingers. We have 5 fingers in our hand. Count it. In one hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one hand, 5 fingers. Other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands together, We have 10 fingers. And here is the thumb. We can see this finger in our hands. We call it as thumb. We have 2 thumbs in each hand. One in one hand, other one in the other hand. Here we can find the hairs. Our hairs will be on our head. Can you touch your hairs? Yes. Yeah, we have black colored hair. And here the lips which we use to talk. And this part of the leg we call it as ankle. You can find the rounded shaped towards the to outside of the foot we can find our ankle. Can you find it? Yes. In the foot outside we can find the ankle. In the foot we can also have the toes. How many toes in each leg? In one leg 5 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the other leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 10 toes. And here are some of the parts of the body we have discussed. Hope you all understood. And please find the worksheets and complete it. And even in your textbook, you complete your exercise. Thank you for the time.